Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2016 1200 Sportster 48 in color black with a 1200cc engine and a 5-speed transmission. This bike comes equipped with a Cobra exhaust. It's really lightweight with a low center of gravity, and it looks brand new because it has only 9,459 miles. Let's listen to the exhaust. Sounds great. It's fresh out of detail, fresh out of service, and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.